Hello, it's Ronnie, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday, where I teach you about a feature of Planty or give you a meal planning tip in 2 minutes or less. Today, I want to tell you about our new Recipe Clipper extension for your browser. Currently, this is available on Chromium browsers, which is Chrome, Brave, Opera, and Edge, as well as Firefox. So today's demo is going to be how to add this extension on Chrome specifically. It'll look very similar on all of those Chrome browsers. And then Firefox is exactly the same, except for the fact that you'll go to your Firefox add-on store instead of the Chrome Web Store to be able to find the extension. So when you're here in the Chrome Web Store, all I need to do is search for Plan to Eat. Here is the Recipe Clipper. And now I just simply use the big blue button, Add to Chrome. It's going to make sure I actually want to add this extension. And then it's up here over on this side toolbar. And when I click out of here, you can see that it kind of goes away, but there is an option here where I can pin that extension to the toolbar. So all I need to do is click on this jigsaw icon and use the pin right here. Click on the pin until it's blue, which is going to pin it up there on my toolbar. And now I can just simply go to a recipe that I would like to import and click on the extension here. It'll have me log into my account the very first time that I use it. And now I will import a new recipe. Imports the recipe for me. It looks just the same way as it looked with the previous Recipe Clipper, except it is here in this side panel. And I can make any edits here. I can update anything as well as do queue, private, and add it to my meal planner. And now a really cool thing that we can do here is I can leave this sidebar open and I can navigate to a different recipe that I would like to import. And now you'll see that the import button here has been illuminated, so I can click this and is going to import this other recipe. So you can leave this side panel open while you're searching the web and just simply find new recipes, hit that import button, and you don't have to continually tap on the extension up in your toolbar. The great thing also about this side panel is that it allows you to view the recipe in the web page side by side with the Recipe Clipper, so it's not impeding your view of the web page or overlapping on any of the text on the web page, so you have this great side by side view. And finally, the best thing about this extension is that you don't have to do anything to update your cookies or security, privacy settings in your browser. It is just an extension that will plug into your browser and work automatically. If you have any questions, email us at help@planteat.com. There's also an article linked in the description of this video that will give you another tutorial and a little bit of information about the Recipe Clipper if you need anything else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.